Oh, good morning, my dear children. It's our seventh chapter, our environment. In the previous class, we have studied about natural things and man-made things. Today, we are going to discuss about living and non-living things. Human beings, animals, and plants are living things. Human beings, animals, plants are living things. Living things are those that have life and can grow and move. That means we human beings and the animals and the plants have life. That's why we are calling that is a living thing. We can move and we can also grow. Chairs, table, fans, houses, roads, books, and stones are non-living things. Chairs, tables, fan, books, houses, roads, and stones. All these things are non-living things because they can't grow and also they can't move itself. These things do not have life and they cannot grow or move around. That's why we can say they all are non-living things. And in this chapter we are studying what are the peculiarities of a living things. Okay, there are several differences between living and non-living things. What are the differences between living and non-living things that we are discussing now? All living things breathe. Plants are living things, so they also breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. That is the first one. Living things breathe and non-living things do not breathe. And the second point is living things grow. A small plant grows into a big tree. A little puppy grows into a dog and a human baby grows into an adult. Non-living things do not grow. That is the second one. That the living things grow. A small plant or a puppy or a kitten or a human baby grows and grows and grows. Okay, but in the case of non-living things, they do not grow. And the third point, that is living things need food. All living things need food to stay alive. Human beings and animals will die if they do not get food and water. Plants also need air, soil, sunlight, and water to live and grow. Non-living things do not need food. Living things can move. Okay, and before we are discussing, living things need food. All living things need food because we want to do some activity. By this food we will get some energy to do something. So all the living things need food to live and grow. Human beings, plants and animals also as the same. And the next one is living things can move. Animals such as tiger, wolves, deer, panthers can run very fast. Birds fly, fish swim, and insects crawl. Plants also move their body parts. Non-living things cannot move. That means all living things are moving. They can move. Different types of animals are moving different style. Snake crawling, birds flying, and the fish swimming, and we the man can walk. But in the case of non-living things, they cannot move by itself. Then the last one, the fifth point is living things have young ones. Humans and many animals give birth to young ones. Cats have kittens, cows have calves, Some animals such as frog, snakes lay eggs. Birds such as hen also lay eggs. Plants grow from seeds of the parent plant, but in the case of non-living things do not have young ones. That means living things they have young ones, they have little babies. In the case of human beings, we know that we have little babies, and in the case of a cat, the kittens are there, and in the case of a cow, calves are there, and in the case of a dog, puppies are there. And also in the same, the plants also, plants grow from seeds of the parent plant, otherwise it's parts of the mother plant. So all living things have young ones, but non-living things do not have young ones. And here is an interesting box. It's interesting. Paper is a man-made thing. It is invented in China. Paper is invented in China. It is made from wood, used old cloth and grasses. By these things, grasses, old clothes and woods, the paper is making. Actually, it's very interesting. I think you don't know about this. Paper is making with wood and old cloth and also grass. Okay, that's enough. Have a nice day. Thank you.